Hello there folks, it's the Barrock here and I'm doing a video at night. Let's see, I'm holding the camera. Do I click? We're playing Legend of the Void again. Yep, click. Sitting in my bed with my laptop. I've been a little under the weather lately. Let's see, we're back where we were. Ritual Mage, Cultist Assassin, Cultist Warrior. Let's impale him. What can we do? Let's summon skeleton or heal. Summon a skeleton. Ow, I got hit. No, no, he's bleeding. A bowler? That's kind of stupid. Yeah, go summon skeleton. Boot and Blade, the assassin. Ooh, snap. Ooh, hit. Well, these guys are sucky. Let's see, Rogan's turn. He can't do either of those, so let's hit him with and let's shoot him in the face. And come on, skeleton, do something. Finish him off, skeleton. Oh wow, fail. Can you use boot and blade? No. So regular melee sword attack. Finish him off with magic! Boom! Hope there's equipment in the crates. Picked up a health potion and a fire feat. Ooh, what's this? He bald? Cultist Assassin, Cultist Elite. Ooh. That's Boot and Blade, the assassin. And I actually thought that would kill him. No, don't shoot me. No, don't impale him. No! I need you to impale on Cultist Elite. Rogue, magic attack, Cultist Assassin. Ooh, blocked. Let's see. I'll let you guys zoom in on that guy. He looks tough. Woo! I just zoom in right there. Cultist Elite. Okay, let's see. What can I do? Oh, that's him. Slice. Use my magic powers. Oh, worthless magic. Oh, we killed the Cultist Elite and I leveled up. Yeah. Let's see, necromancy. Okay. Death Hex. Terrify. Here, I'll zoom in the stuff for you guys. Looks like it's got a auto. Okay, so that says Death Hex. That says, one sec, zoom out, out, zoom out, zoom in. How is it not auto-correcting that? Okay, well anyway. I leveled up. I'll choose what is next episode.